Okay, hello everyone. As per the demand, yes, today again I'm going to make another video on the topic area and perimeter. It's from BLE book, all the questions which I'm going to explain right now. Over here, here's written volume, it's not volume, it's perimeter. It's given in the thing also in BLE book. Instead of perimeter, they wrote over there volume. So, without wasting time, let's see the questions and how they are going to be solved. Let's see the first question. In a land of a length 120 meter and breadth 60 meter, so let us make a land first. So here I'm going to make it. So the land length is 120 meter and the breadth is 60 meter. So in this land there is a garden in the shape of an equilateral triangle. In this land there is a garden and the shape of that garden is in triangle, and that also an equilateral triangle. Equilateral, it means all the sides are equal and each side is of 12 meter. This is 12, this is also 12, and this is also 12. Now we have to find the area of the rectangular land. So this is the land, rectangular land. Here I am showing you, this is rectangular land, and we have to find out the area of this whole rectangular land, including that triangle. Yes, so it's very simple. Area of rectangle, that is going to be area of a rectangle. We know the formula is length multiplied by breadth. Over here length is 120 and breadth is 60, so you will multiply that 120 into 60. As a result, what do you get? 7200 square meter. As it is, area, the unit will have square. Coming to question number B, find the area of the garden. Find the area of the garden. So garden is this one. Only this equilateral triangle is garden. Just showing you over here. The red one spot is an equilateral triangle. This one is garden. Garden. And this whole was the land. In that land there was a garden, equilateral triangle in shape of equilateral triangle. And we have to find the area of that garden. So area of the garden, it means area of equilateral triangle. So here we will use the formula of area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So here you will use the formula root 3 by 4 instead of a. A means the side of equilateral triangle. So what is the side? That is 12. 12 square. 12 square, it is telling 12 square, that is root 3 by 4, that is 12 into 12, that becomes 144. And if you cross it, 4 3 are 12, 2 is extra 24, 4 6 is 24. The answer that is coming is 36 root 3. You can convert it into decimal also by the help of calculator, or you can keep this answer. So the area of the equilateral triangle or the area of the garden which is in shape of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. In decimal, if you will change, when you will multiply, it will come 62.35 square meter. Now coming to the third question, I find the area of the land excluding the garden. Excluding the garden, it means first area of the land. From there, if you will remove this, this is called excluding the garden. So let us suppose the first one is area 1, area of land, let it be a1. So that we have found, how much is that we have got 7200 square meter. And area of garden that we have got over here, a2, that is 36 root 3. That means by using calculator you can find it out, that becomes 62.35 square meter. And then after you have to find out area of the land excluding means chodera, leaving that, except the garden, leaving the garden. So that will be area of land excluding garden will be a1 minus a2, where we have 7200 as a1 and 62.35 as a2. After subtracting, you will get 7137.65 square meter. So that is going to be the answer for question number C. Similarly, moving ahead to the last question, question number D. Find the cost of fencing the garden at the rate of 500 per meter. So fencing means boundary, putting something in the boundary. So that's, there is an equilateral triangle. Garden is of equilateral triangle. Yes, that's inside. This one I'm making over here. So first you need to find out the perimeter, because here the cost is given for per meter. It means that refers to the perimeter, and the word fencing is also used. So it's all for the boundary, not for the surface, it's for the boundary. So what we have to do is we have to add all the sides and find out the perimeter, or you can use the formula for perimeter, that is 12 plus 12 plus 12, or perimeter of equilateral triangle garden. Perimeter of garden is equal to 3a. It means 3 into 12. 12 3s are 36 meter. So 36 meter is going to be the perimeter, and this 36, when you will multiply with this 500, then the cost will come. The cost will be equal to, will be 36, for per meter it is rupees 500. So it's going to be 36 into 500, that is 18,000. So this is going to be the answer for question number 1.